Right, take 10. What's up, Jooba People? This song is brought to you by the Jooba People community. It's just a community of guitarists like you that wants to learn this type of music and that wants to request songs. And this song was actually requested last week by one of my community members. And you can join you checking the link in the description. Alright, so this PDF has got the chords and everything in it. And let's start with the hardest part of the song, the picking pattern. So the first thing to know is to be able to count this thing. Dun, 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 dun. So let me. I'm just playing the first 5 notes there on an A minor, and I've got capo on 7th fret. If I do the whole pattern, it sounds like this. Very nice pattern. Alright, now the intro, we're gonna go through all the different parts and we're gonna, sorry, somebody's calling me, let me just mute that. And we're gonna go through the chord shapes per section. Okay, so for the intro, we've got this D minor add 9 chord. And we do that with the picking pattern starting on the 4th string. We just end with a pinch and a pull off there with the pinky. And then we go to this little F shape, but with a G chord on the 3rd fret. Same picking pattern. Okay, we do that again. And then we do a pinch here. That's just. And then we do the same pattern on C. So just from the G6 do it at speed. And then we go to an F major chord. Here, the melody is played mainly with the middle finger. And I'm going to go to this window now so you can see both set of chords. So basically going to go do F, C, G with the melody being played on the second string mostly. With the main picking pattern still carrying on. And that takes us to this G chord. It's like a normal G, but the pinky is just up on string. This part is the toughest. We go A minor, but with the pinky there. Not this one, which is an A sus4 chord. And the melodies dun 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 dun. And you call those quarter note triplets. It's where you go 1, 2, 3, 4, ba 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 ba. It's difficult for me to do everything at the same time, but the melody goes like. Anyway, so. Right. Okay, so sorry, but I just paused the video and just fixed that shape so it's the second line is the same, and I'm just going to zoom in here to the intro B. So we got the intro A is the and the intro B is that's just simple, just hanging on the G with the picking pattern. Okay. And then we have the chorus progression, which is a simple C. That's what it is slowly. Let me just go over the specific parts, and I'm going to actually go to the chords and lyrics section, okay, of the PDF. So we get wanting to stay without keep my eyes open for what Okay, I just listened to the chorus and I paused the video. This is what it sounds like. So it's a C, C, and then you go to A. That's the milli. And he plays the F like this. Slowly the whole thing. Days wanting to stay within me now. Keep my eyes carries on with the normal thing. Wow, I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna pause the video and just quickly listen to the bridge and just make sure I'm teaching it to you accurately. Give me 2 seconds. All right, so for the bridge, it is, what happened now? Okay, never mind, let's just pause. Okay, there we are. For the bridge, we've got E. Goes back into the intro, but the bridge, you're basically doing E. You go on the high E string, you add that somewhere, it's not really important where, and then you add the pinky. Open A sus2. So walk up there to the F. I need my manners now. Okay, so obviously with this tutorial I left a lot up for the imagination. I am not really well versed in teaching this kind of stuff without a tab. I mean, I did link to a tab on the Jooba People. You'll see a link to a proper tab if you want to learn it step by step. But I would say try to go through more of the organic approach, learn the picking pattern, and try to add the melodies on top. As you see, you're becoming comfortable with it. That's my take on this song. I hope nobody's frustrated with the tutorial and it's a little out of whack. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's carry on. Cheers, guys.